Welcome to another video. In this one, we'll talk about translate your Salesforce data in Titan word-addin using our DocGen product. So let's show you how it works. Let's say in Salesforce, I go to my translate workbench, which is over here. And some of the things that you can translate are this, like pick list value. You can also do address. That's another one. And then there's another one called global value set. So you can also do those as well. Global pick list values. But the way it works, the principle is simple. You go to your language. Let's say I choose Japanese here, and I'm going to do a pick list. And my pick list is on object account, and I think type over here is translated to Japanese from English to Japanese, like that. And now I want to be able to pull that translation into my Word document. So how do I do it? Well, let's show you. First, we're going to do insert a simple table. So table is account, and we'll say Japanese translated. And then here we'll pull in the account name and then account type, which is the field that's translated. Now, understand, we can't translate all the labels, only the pick list that are coming from the translation workbench, or data type that's coming from translation workbench. So account name, account type, and I'm going to go ahead and insert that table. Where do you check the translation? It's actually in the filter. So if I go to the filter, and what I'll do is I'll put a simple, say the account type is not empty. And then I'll say bring up to 50 records. But here is what you want to do. You want to check enable translate, and you want to choose your language. So save condition, here it is. It's good to go. Click preview. And we'll let it render. And voila, there it is. You can see my translation has now come through into the document. So yeah, that's how it's done. It's very, very easy. Same thing again. So let's go back into here, and then we'll choose French, for example. And then the type you can see is also done in French. Now I can do the same thing. I can just go into my get and say, you know what, can you do this in French, please? Save conditions, preview now. And voila, just like that, you can see the translation is there. And it's the same thing if you want to use section also. So I'll show you a quick example. Let's say we insert a section, and let's say we choose account, and then I'll just say translation. Insert translation, and then we'll do two fields. We'll do multiple fields. We'll do name, and we'll do type. Insert. And here it is. They're both in there. And essentially, it's the same principle at the end of the day. So if I just refresh this, there's my translation get. And then in here, I'll just say account type is not empty. And then make sure that enable translation is checked. And let's say we go Japanese here. Save conditions. Preview now. And here it is, my rendered data all coming through like as expected. And that's it. That's all there is to it in terms of the translation. It's very, very easy to do. And hopefully this video will help you do that.